Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over the top work from home jobs, real jobs you can apply for today and begin to work from home. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now I was inspired to make this video because with everything going on with the lockdown, even in Michigan here, we just got a notification that the lockdown is going to extend to April 13th. So I know it's a lot of people out there that live paycheck to paycheck and may, be scared during this time and not know exactly when the next dollar is going to come, or how they're going to be supported financially during this time. And I just want to expose or show you the best work from home jobs, real jobs you can apply for that have benefits. We're just gonna hop straight into it just to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, the number one work from home job I would recommend right now is called Zapier. Now, Zapier is a work from home job. Just to be upfront, all of the jobs I'm about to show you are customer service related. You will either have to provide tech support virtually, or verbal support, or you would have to transcribe, different audio. So it's very easy. It's at home jobs. This job right here, Zapier, is actually the best remote from home job. They train you in everything. They provide your software, equipment, and everything. We're gonna go over it. I recommend, if you're interested in any work from home job, this is the number one company I recommend. You can research this company and you can see, that they actually have a lot of great benefits. Now, you can see right here that you can work from anywhere, competitive salary, unlimited vacation policies, great health care, dental, vision care. They have a retirement plan. They have the computer and software set up where they actually provide you a Mac. So if you don't have, the newest computer, or you don't have like a headset or a mic to record, they will provide everything you need, this company. So for the people that are serious, that maybe young adults or people that have families, that really, want to earn money online and have a remote work from home type of job, I recommend Zapier. Now, they are hiring right now, and this is a global job. This is not just for North America. This job is, global. It's in 28 countries. So, you can, no matter what country you're in, Zapier, as long as you have an internet connection, as long as you can connect to Wi-Fi, they'll provide you with the equipment to perform your job. So that's why Zapier is number one on my list. In the links in the description of this video, I only have the work from home jobs I'm recommending on this video. So number one on my list though is Zapier, simply because all of the benefits, the profit sharing, they provide a computer, they train you on how to provide the correct customer service. And like I said, all of the jobs I'm showing you are customer service related, which you will have to provide tech support, verbal support, or transcribe different documents and things like that. Now, the next work from home job I want to show you is called VIP Kid. Now, this is really for anybody who can teach English, anybody that can teach English to kids in China. Virtual learning, teaching kids are actually going to school online, still in a lot of states kids are still going to school online even though school is closed. And companies like this, like VIP Kid, are still open, and all you have to do here is teach English. You would teach English to different kids. As long as you're good at English and you can talk proper, you can get on here and make money. This is really for I believe like an older crowd. Women maybe would be great at this, I believe. And just teaching kids, anybody that has a love for teaching really. And if you're an English major, if you love social studies and world history, things like that, you would be good at something like this. So VIP Kid, you can hop on here, you can get paid $22 an hour, by teaching kids simple English. So, that's cool. It's 100,000 teachers on here. They saying they got 5 million classes per month. So, it's a lot of profit to be shared in this company. Next company I would recommend is Amazon Virtual Locations. Now, Amazon Virtual Locations, you can find work everywhere from Alexa support to the digital device support. But these are the jobs for Amazon are worldwide, as you know. Like, you could be anywhere. Like you see right here, you could be in Costa Rica. But if you want to work for Amazon virtually, Amazon is one of the biggest, tech company we've seen, in the last decade. So Amazon is here to stay. If anything, everybody knows Amazon is here to stay. So a work from home position for Amazon, this is good to apply for. And like you said, I showing you, they have a lot of different jobs available, and you can come in here and sort it by the USA, your actual city, and what you want to do, like the web services, human resources, operations. Amazon is like automated digital. If you don't know that, like, Amazon is becoming all digital. So getting a virtual job with Amazon could actually, you can make money now and past this lockdown period. Now next we got Scribey. Now, Scribey is an audio transcription service where you basically get paid. They'll send you a clip, and you have to basically transcribe the audio in it, write it out in text, or they'll send you a video, and then they want you to type it out in a document and send it back as to transcribe the audio. A way you could do this, though, a method you could really win on this, is if you have or you go to Google Docs. And Google Docs is a free service which you can do speech to text. So you could actually, if you don't want to type out every word you're hearing, you can open up Google Docs and actually repeat back the words you heard, and just go in Google Docs and edit it up that way. Now, to start transcribe, it is a certification process, which you have to apply, confirm your email, wait for the invite, create your account, and go through a test, just a transcription test. If you can transcribe these words, you go through the test, and then you're certified. After you're certified, you can go ahead and start working, and you can see your potential earnings with transcribe. If you only do transcriptions, you can make up to $300 a month. If you do transcription and reviews, $500 a month. Transcription, reviews, proofreading, $700 a month. Transcriptions, reviews, proofreading, and quality control. You can make $1,000 per month. So if people, anybody that likes typing on the internet, if you're a writer, girls, y'all writing them long text messages, you can get on here, transcribe some data, and earn some money. And it's just something you want to have, something coming in. Some people really live paycheck to paycheck, and they depend on their external workforce to provide them with that money, and they don't have any source of passive income. So for people that was really shocked or hit during this time, I just recommend picking up some type of passive income source. If you don't like YouTube, if you don't want to do music or affiliate marketing, you can do some of these companies I'm recommending right here. Now, next company we got is T-Tech, which is a customer service company, or remote customer experience. Experts, they just work with a bunch of different companies, and it's just, they got a tech center, customer care, AI. It's all customer service work, but they're still open during all this time as remote jobs. So you can sign up on T-Tech and also find customer service jobs, which you will work from home, and it's very simple. With the amount of work you have to do, it's very simple. So the next company we got is called Working Solutions, another customer service related company. You can remotely work from home, and you can check these out. Again, I'll have all of the links in the description, but Working Solutions has been around. I believe this is out of Texas. Yeah, Working Solutions, they employ thousands of independent agents. You see, from stay-at-home parents to seniors to military spouses, change of career professionals, everybody. And a lot of these companies provide you with the training and all the tools you need. So I just recommend signing up and trying these companies out. And they have a lot of positions open. So next company we got is Appen. Is also another virtual location job, a work from home job, a remote job. You see what you will have to do: customer service, different tasks. They even have micro tasks you can do from your phone, transcription, tasks, work from home based on a computer or a mobile device. So this company, I believe, is global, and you can, anywhere in the world, you can sign up on Appen and begin to work from home at a remote job. So that was my video for today. I really hope y'all got a lot of information from that. Everybody is out there, I'm praying for everybody during this time, and I just hope everybody can remain stable, and I hope everybody's families are doing good out there. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.